Hello everyone. In this short video you will see that how you can enable or show developer tab in Microsoft Excel ribbon. So very simple process. Once you will open your Microsoft Excel app on your screen, go to the file menu and then click on options from the bottom. When you will see that Excel options in your screen, go to the customize ribbon. Then from the right side, from customize the ribbon tab, you will have main tabs here. So when you see that we have the tabs checked here, but developer tab is unchecked. So you just need to give a check on that and then click OK. And you can see that now we have the developer tab available in the top line. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.